When you come to the playground, first thing you notice or see is a surface. When it's attractive, it's also get written in your mind. So you will get out of the playground and remember also not only equipment, but the surface as a total. My name is Viktor Juřička. I'm here in Brno, Czech Republic, technical product manager responsible for surfacing.
Perfect.
When you are considering what type of surface you should choose, you should bear in mind that accessibility, creativity during design and installation is important. And last but not least, also long-lasting and durability of system, how it looks in some period of time, is also a key factor you should consider. You can combine many colors together. You can also cover slopes, so it doesn't have to be totally even. It can be kind of plastic. You can even make sculptures, so you can leave your mind loose and just be creative as you want. Was it okay?